It's a me, Jason! Oh. Alright guys, back again for another episode of Random Friend Squad. This week is a how-to video. I thought I'd go the way that Dan went and show you something a little bit scientific so we can learn how to and learn science stuff. Alright, so first I'm going to show you how to make a homemade lava lamp. And then I'm going to show you how to make oobleck. You guys probably might not know what that is, but you'll find out in a little bit. So what you're going to need to make that homemade lava lamp is a base, some cooking oil, some food coloring, and some water. Alright, so first what we're going to do is we are going to fill up this vase with a good amount of this cooking oil. My fiance is probably going to kill me for wasting all the cooking oil, but Alright, then we add a little bit of water. That looks cool. That looks really cool. Then we're going to add some food coloring. I'm going to go with an orangey color because I used to have an orange lava lamp when I was a kid. So I'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 drops of red. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 drops of yellow. Alright, so I forgot another crucial ingredient we're going to need for this, and that is Alka-Seltzer. I'm cheap, so I bought the bootleg one, so we're going to go with it. Now, you take your little Alka-Seltzer tablets. Break them in half. Maybe break them in quarters. Let's break them in quarters. Alright. So now we just drop them in and watch the magic happen. Pretty freaking cool if you ask me. Now what's happening here is the carbon dioxide is rising to the top and it's taking the bubbles of, I don't know what the hell is happening here. It is carbon dioxide and it is bubbles, but other than that, I don't know. Being honest here, guys. And we'll just go ahead and move this to the side. Not as exciting as I wanted it to be, but what can you do? Alright, so I'm glad I got a second one for you because this one's supposed to be cool. And I hope it works out because I've never tried it before. And for this one, we're going to need a mixing bowl, a whisk, forgot what that was called for a second there, and about 1.5 cups of cornstarch. Now we're going to stir this up, sort of. This one's kind of messy, I'm not going to lie. Alright, now we're going to let this stand to thicken. So while that's going on, I'm going to do a little dance. Alright guys, it's been about 15 minutes and this stuff is hardened. However, don't let it fool you. It seems like it's not hard, but it really is. It's kind of weird. Let me show you. So even though it feels like liquid, as I pull my hand out, you can obviously see the resistance and see that it's not just liquid. So our next step is to pour it onto a cookie sheet. This here is called oobleck, which is a non-Newtonian type of fluid, which is called a dilatant, which also means that it's expanding. So from here, we put this on top of our speaker and see what happens. Alright, so I have my normal household speakers here with the cookie sheet of oobleck sitting on top. Now, I also saw suggestions to add some food coloring, so let's see what that does. Let's add a couple different colors just to see. Alright, now crank up the bass. Alright guys, now that totally didn't do what it was supposed to do, but it still looked pretty cool. What it was supposed to do is this. It looks pretty awesome, but mine didn't come out like that. All I really managed to do with it was spill it all over the carpet and all over myself. So be very careful if you're going to try this at home, and maybe look it up online more so than I did. See if you can get it to work. Anyway, that's all for me this week, guys. Random Friend Squad out. Peace. Deuces. All our other outros combined in one. Now I know how they came up with the name Oobleck. They spilled it all over themselves and then they said, "Ugh, bleh." Man, this turned out horribly. That's why I'd be like, fuck science. At least the lava lamp turned out pretty cool. Let's see if it does it twice. That's so sick.